inside. It's a limited edition, and we have 2 surprises inside. I'm so happy. This is season 5, the newest season. I'm gonna open it.
Mia, which one do you want to keep from me?
Don't ask me that question.
Why?
Here.
Okay. I'll ask you later. I'll help you. You want help?
No, thank you.
You just love torturing stuff.
Yes, I love torturing stuff. Yes, I do.
You torture me all the time.
Totally.
And you never say sorry!
Okay, I think I'm gonna open up the surprises first.
How do you open these things anyway?
They come in these cute little cases, and one's a dog, and it's winking, and one's a cat. They are so much cuter than before. Literally, much more cuter. Okay, now
I'll open this one.
I want to open it. It's mine.
Can I open this one, please?
Okay, fine. You can. I know what I got.
I think you got a chocolate thing or computer.
No, I got a computer, and it's a glow in the dark. I just know it.
Disgusting.
I know, they taste disgusting. Whoa! What is this? Is this a glow in the dark? What is that?
I think it's just a computer that does not glow in the dark.
Now, what computer is it? I got a glow in the dark, and it's a surprise pack. Oh my goodness! It goes in the dark, and its name is Lizzie Laptop.
I'll rip this open now.
I'm so happy.
You can't be happy about everything that you get.
I know, but I'm so happy about that. What is it? What is it?
I think it's a glow in the dark. It's a glow in the dark.
What is it? What is it?
It's a glow in the dark mouse.
I want it. I want it. I want it.
I wanted it.
It's mine. It's mine.
You let me keep one because I'm letting you keep one.
I know, but I want this
Wait,
one.
oh.
Let's see which one this is. I can't believe I got 2 glow in the darks in one day. Something. Its name is Polly Piano, and it's what's it called? It's what is the top? It's special edition like these 2.
I'm trying to open it. It's a charm.
Oh, the charm!
We got cupcake sheet.
Oh, that's so cute. Who did I get?
I think that's the other original cupcake sheet.
I don't think it's the other original cupcake sheet, but it has a spoon, and cupcake sheet has a spoon. And then this is a rare, I guess. I got cupcake chic, and it's circled, so I guess it's a see-through. Where's cupcake chic? Where's cupcake chic? I guess I have to wait for it to open that one. We have We have Yoshi. We have movie whoever, and I think it's a rare. Yeah, it's a ultra rare. Hey, I haven't read his name. He's a baked good. I can tell you that. Yeah, it's on the barcode. And its name, I don't think it's in the bake. Oh, it is. Its name is Mandy Moose.
Am I seeing Mandy Moose?
And Mandy Moose is common.
Mandy Moose, go over there.
No, Mandy Moose, go here.
Why?
Because I wanted to.
Oh, with cupcakes. Pekin.
Oh, what's this one?
It's the Pekin.
Oh, and its name is
Royal
Cupcake, and it's a common.
Roller skate.
It's Lola roller skates, and she's in the sports, and she's a rare.
Somebody's taking bath.
This one's in the. What is this anyway? This is Rockin' Chol. I'm gonna name it Rockin', and it is a common. Hey, don't mind them all, y'all. Yeah. Okay, let's see this one. It's in the music, probably.
I like holding Yoshi.
It's in the music.
Yoshi's so cute.
Its name is Max Styrofoam, and it's a common. But what does the star mean? Stars mean metallic Shopkins.
You know what?
That is.
You know what? What are Charm Special Editions?
They're ultra rares.
Oh, I love you, Charm Yoshi.
Oh, this one is Best Bath.
Best Bath? I have a friend named Beth.
It's
We have a friend named Beth.
yeah, it's a common.
We have a friend named Beth.
Okay, we heard you.
I want to hold Yoshi.
Okay. That is Lana Mowers, and it's pretty cool. I'm gonna put her over here. Now we're up to the last one, and that's a common. It's jam roll. I know this because I've had it before. Oh, jam roll, and it's a common. There we go. And those are everything I got. 2 glow-in-the-darks in one day. Surprising. Thank you so much for watching. I really have to go to the washroom. Please subscribe and like.
I have to go too.